Well, this regional project is to improve management of groundwater resources in Latin American countries. The beneficiaries of the results of the project will be decision makers and managers of water resources, water users, communities, and non-governmental organizations. So this project aims to be very useful at a high level. We have a few technologies, but two are the main important. The first one is the I-Wave methodology, which the primary goal for water availability enhancement project is to strengthen national capacities for collecting, managing, and interpreting water resources data, and to use advanced techniques to improve resource management. Also, we have hydrochemical and isotopic characterizations of surface and groundwaters using isotopes like oxygen-18, tritium, deuterium, or oxygen-14. Well, regional cooperation is built to use advantages developed in different countries. Some of the Latin American countries are more developed in different issues, in this case in managing hydrological resources. For instance, Brazil and Argentina are more developed, and they are going to help to the others Latin American countries. So it's a joint effort to solve issues that have to deal with all Latin American countries.
Water resource in Nicaragua is important because the water is life, the water is production, is food security. At the same time, we have an important amount of water in the country at a different source, like groundwater and flow water too. And in the countries, it's important to know how to manage this resource, not only for the countries, for all the region, but especially for the rural community who are responsible about the production in the country.
75% of the total territory of Argentina is located in arid or semi-arid climate, and in areas where we have a wet climate, there are not important rivers. So the most part of the people in Argentina use groundwater resource for human consumption, agriculture, industry, mining, and for ecosystem also.
Groundwater is very important in Ecuador because near about 60% of our water is groundwater.
Groundwater is very important to water supply. Most of 50% of water supply in Brazil is from groundwater, first of all. The second aspect is the main, or in some areas, the second more important source to urban and rural areas, and is the unique water resource in areas under hydrologic stress. It's a very important aspect. And a geographical aspect as well, it's related to the main important rivers are effluent. So groundwater is contributing very much to the flow of the river.
Well, first of all, we expect to identify the gap of knowledge that we have on groundwater resource, and after the capacitation to fill these gaps.
We think that with this project, with the grants and with the support of the organization, we can improve our databases about the water and account and amount and quality. too. We have some infrastructure, some knowledge, some people training and management water, but these people need to change in the generation. We need to train in the new generation and to manage the water. And at the same time, we hope that we can know more technician and technologies and TICs tools to improve our information and knowledge, not only with the main or the mayors, the president, the administrative people. At the same time, we need to improve this capacity in the technician people and the user of the resource. And so we hope that with this interchange between the different countries and with the support of the organization, we can contribute to improve our situation right now.
We expect to achieve an integrated management of water resource and also to achieve a good governance of water resource. I think it will be the main goals of this project for us.
Linked with groundwater, we had environmental problems, education problems, and cultural problems, because groundwater is minimum exploited in Ecuador. For example, legal water is surface water. Illegal water in the majority is groundwater, because in rural areas people need groundwater. People use groundwater, but it's illegal, not declared to the government about this exploitation. In the future, the strategy is about the groundwater, because that 60% is very important for our country.
In my opinion, two main aspects have to be considered. The first one is the capacity building, and the second one is the technological transfer. Because we need more precise water balance, we need more definition in some recharge zones of the aquifer. We need to define, to develop some management instruments, mainly to solve water conflicts in some areas, and to supply, to contribute to the groundwater models as well.
Con nuestra nueva ley de aguas, recién aprobada en agosto, tenemos grandes esperanzas de aprovechar el 60% de agua subterránea que tenemos, y en eso juega un papel importante el Organismo Internacional de Energía Atómica por toda la experiencia que tiene acerca del conocimiento y el uso de herramientas isotópicas en el agua subterránea. El Ecuador está aquí con 4 representantes y esperamos que este evento sea clave para proyectar ese futuro del aprovechamiento de las aguas subterráneas en nuestro país.